Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're here to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies and keep an eye on the market trends using a technical analysis powerful tool, divergences. Today we're going to shine the spotlight on Arbitrum. Arbitrum serves as a layer 2 scaling solutions as a lot of others and created by Off-Chain Labs and led by Ed Felten. It seeks to address, again, the transaction fee crisis and network congestion that we find on Ethereum. So what it does is that it works by offloading much of the computational and storage workload from Ethereum mainnets, and then it just aims at significantly reducing transaction fees and improving scalability on Ethereum. Arbitrum is all about decentralization and efficiency, and it leverages optimistic rollups to ensure a smoother, faster, and more cost-effective blockchain experience. Let's not forget, if you find this dive into Arbitrum intriguing and interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. Let's go, let's dive into Arbitrum. Attention please, pause and read. So now to think about Arbitrum, let's take a step back and imagine Ethereum like a vibrant city. And I know I'm using this analogy a lot, but I think it's perfect. So we have a lot of, it's rush hour. Cars are bumping into each other. There's a lot of traffic jam. The streets are crowded, and getting from point A to point B is slow and costs a lot of money. Now, Arbitrum is a network of futuristic skyways and tunnels, designed to alleviate this congestion. The skyways offer a fast, efficient route above the chaos, allowing transactions to move smoothly and quickly, bypassing the traffic jam below. It's a little bit like having a VIP pass on an express lane that lifts you above the gridlock, and it's transforming a potential hour-long wait into a speedy and seamless journey. This analogy helps us illustrate how Arbitrum Layer 2 solution can provide a much-needed relief to the Ethereum network. It ensures that your crypto transactions are more like a smooth ride in a high-speed elevator rather than a slow crawl in rush hour traffic. Now let's take a look at Arbitrum pricing. So what we can see right away, we're already at $3 billion market cap. It's high, it's one of the big players for sure, but we still have room to grow when starting a rally. We can see the price has had ups and downs, and we can see that right now the all-time high has been around 226. Let's see. Okay, all-time high 240. Okay, so right now we are 150. So 240 would be a good amount, a healthy amount, and we can imagine that going back to all-time high is going to be already a great ride. But we're just at the beginning, and I'm assuming Arbitrum is going to continue on a trend up during the entire rally. It shows a lot of strength, and I'm happy to see that happening. Now let's take a deeper look at the price here. And so if we go to, well, monthly, we should not have a lot to look at. So let's quickly go there and then go to weekly candle analysis. So right away, without even talking about the tops yet, I'm seeing a divergence that is very bullish, very, very, very bullish. So let's take it from here already. We're looking at a price trend between the bottoms that goes up, while on the MACD it's clearly going down. This, we are talking about the bottoms, so always indicating that the price is going to go up. And when we are tracing where it's going to go up, I mean, we're being very conservative here. I'm pretty sure we're going to really go over this, but at the very least, going back to $2 would not be something crazy to think at. I think we're going to go back there maybe around, I mean, July would be definitely the deadline. So yeah, I think that's one thing that I see first. Very optimistic. Now if I go to the daily candle, let's take a look here. Well, so here we have a little bit more to explore. So first of all, we're going to explain what's happening right now. We're seeing that we're going down, and we have a divergence here showing that is explaining this. So let's trace it. When we're looking at the tops, and we know that looking at tops always means going down. So let's do a bigger one here. We're going to look at these two tops, and we can see, okay, they're going a little bit downward, but really they're going sideways. And let's put it in red. This is an old divergence calculated on a 4-hour candle, but we're going to calculate this one just because it shows on a daily candle, and it probably shows what's going to happen in a near term. What can we expect? Okay, so Arbitrum is showing that it's not completely done falling, frankly, but I do think the market is in a down trend right now, but it is very temporary. I think it's recovering, and I think it's starting to show signs of bull again. Like if we're looking at these divergences, though, on the bottom now, we can see that these are going down, and because we're talking about the bottom, they are bullish, but on the MACD, they are going up. And that means reversal to me. So soon we're going to see a reversal. I'm pretty sure we're still going to go down maybe to 120, something like that. Well, right now we're at 140, 146. I mean, we still could go down a little bit more, but eventually we're going back up, and we're going back up to a place that is really healthy, about like $2 very soon as well. So as soon as we're done falling, as soon as we finish this divergence, completely materialize these last bearish divergences, I think we can imagine going back to a good amount of a good price. So let's see the top here corresponding to these. So yeah, exactly like this. So that's my target. I believe that's what we can expect. So a little bit above $2 very soon, between maybe the end of April and May. I think we're going to start kicking up, guys. Let's see if we have anything on a 4-hour candle here. Oh my gosh, I have so many arrows by now. Let's see if we can spot a little bit more. Yeah, we still have some bad divergences showing up. I mean, these to me are the last bearish divergence. We can see that this one, for example, it's going to continue. Let's see where it leads us to. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, let's say probably going to continue a little bit downward here, and we're creating a new one here. If you see these two tops, they are falling, but this one is like starting to go up. So it's also another divergence on the top. I do think we're not done falling, so we're going to go to 1.3, something like that, and then after that maybe we're going to aim for the 1.2. Let's be conservative. That might be like some sort of support line above 1.2. Yeah, I think that's where we're going. So first we're going to finish falling for Arbitrum, and then start rolling back up. And who knows, maybe if the market is motivated enough, we're done falling, because my divergences I considered materialize once we're about 80% of the target price, which I could consider us, close to this. Still, I could imagine 1.3 would be a good amount to bounce back. Yeah, but that's my take on Arbitrum. Here you have it. Remember, the world of crypto is always full of surprises, so keep an eye out for these divergences with me and stay curious. If you find this analysis helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Your support means a lot and help us keep going with this channel. So until next time, keep analyzing, stay informed, and let's navigate these crypto waves together.